How to create a Dzine AI account. First of all, let's open a web browser on your device and use a search bar to find the Dzine AI website. Once you get the search results, click on the link to go to the Dzine AI official website. Once you are in, you will find a button saying Start for free today. Click on that. It will ask you to sign up with a Google account or with an email address. I am going to create an account using my Google account, so select the account you want to use. After that, you may need to complete a quick setup process by selecting your preferences. Once done, your Dzine AI account is successfully created and you are ready to explore its AI powered tools to create magic. And that's it. This is how you can create a Dzine AI tool. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.